Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have a Look Fantastic box. This is a special Look Fantastic box. It is their Glow Edit, and that means that it is their editor's favorites. I believe that's what they told me. It says hashtag Team Look Fantastic here. This is retailing for $35 on their website, but they did give me a 22% discount. So I'm gonna leave the link down below, and if you enter Jessica22, that's gonna give you 22% off on this box. So now let's open her up. I'm actually really excited for this one because it's like a limited edition box, and I feel like they do a really great job whenever they have those limited edition boxes. They're just like slightly elevated over their regular boxes, although I already really do love the Look Fantastic boxes as well. So let's open her up. Beautiful as usual. It is in a pink box. That's not my favorite, but most of you love pink. So right on top from Babor, it says there's a hydration ampoule, and let's see how many we get. 7. So these you'll break off the top, and then you'll get to use the serum because they're single like that. Probably not as good for the planet, but it does help keep your active ingredients active longer, so you don't have to worry about air, oxygen getting in there when you're pumping or opening and closing a bottle. So having them kind of individual like these in these little ampoules, that does help. Let me set this down behind me so I can open this up and show you what that looks like. So here you go. Here's each little bottle with its serum, and you would just break it off. It seems like it's glass maybe. You would just break it off, and then easy to use, just like that. This product is made in Germany, and you could actually see when I held it up, you could see there's a little bit of shimmer to it. So that's supposed to give you the glow while the actual serum is gonna do the moisturizing. So it does say back here, glow and moisturize, and this is made in Germany. The next item I pulled out is from Merci Handy, and it's a clean deodorant, and I think the scent is Namaste, which is, I don't actually know what that word is from, but I do know it's in yoga. But I wonder, I'm sure it's from a language, right? It has a really nice refreshing scent, and I'm gonna rub it here. Definitely like a see-through gel look to it, so that's pretty good too. Doesn't really leave any white or residue look. It's super clear. And I like the scent a lot. It is a clean deodorant, so it doesn't have aluminum. It also says it doesn't have alcohol. So sometimes with these, because I'm so used to the other deodorants, they don't do as good of a job. I think that's like when you're detoxing, you're supposed to give it time, and I never have the patience for that. So maybe I will. This is a pretty good size, and we can try it, and we'll see. I definitely know that's better for you, and that product was made in France. So now let's move on to the next item. We have a Lumini, I don't know, but something like that, brand name, with a Nordic Sea Fresh Glow Brightening Gel Mask. So it looks like it probably has vitamin C. And I'm gonna have to open this little guy to see what type of vitamin C. It has a bunch of things called cloudberry, like cloudberry juice, cloudberry extract, cloudberry fruit seed, something, I don't know. So maybe that's where the vitamin C is coming from, because I don't actually see a vitamin C or vitamin C derivative on there. And it doesn't say vitamin C, it says Nordic Sea. I'm just assuming, because it also says brightening, that means there's vitamin C in here. And she has a real jello jelly look to her. Oh yeah, she feels like jello. I kind of like that because it makes it a little bit thicker and it'll just sit on your face. I don't really like a mask to be too runny. Like, I want to be able to move around while I'm wearing a mask. So I do like these jelly masks for some reason. And this one is made in Finland. As you can see, the first 3 items all made in Europe. Look Fantastic is a European retailer. It's a UK-based retailer. So we do get a lot of brands that you don't see in the typical US boxes here. Next, I have something from Vita or Vita Liberata or Beretta. Wow, we are not doing well with pronunciation in this video. Okay, something like that, Advanced Organics, and it's called Body Blur HD Skin Finish in the color Latte. It looks like it's gonna be a bronzing contouring pen. Let's see. Okay, it comes in a tube. I thought it was gonna come in like a stamp. Yeah, it looks kind of bronzy. Let's put a couple dots here. a little darker than my skin tone. So if you're light skinned, it would probably be pretty dark on you. And rub it in. It definitely is gonna give like a little added bronze look to it. Let me see if I can get close enough so you can see the color difference. There we go. So it's a mild difference, but definitely adds a little bit of that color. If you read the directions, it says, our multi-award winning hero is your favorite skin filter, but for real. Body blur disguises the appearance of blemishes and makes your limbs, that's what it says, seem longer and more perfect looking than you could have ever imagined. Use it all over for coffee bronze deliciousness and as a highlighter on collarbone, shoulders, and even cheekbones. I think this would be a really cool bronzer on cheekbones or on your collarbone right there for sure. That's how I'm probably going to use it. I can't imagine putting this all over my body, although it doesn't have any shimmer. It's just adding that color. So it's making me look tan, even though I'm not tan. And this one says made in the UK. Again, another European company. I have not heard of any of the first 4 companies. Next we have something from Sally Henson. I know this company for sure. It's Sally Henson It Takes Two Miracle Gel. It's a nail color and then a top coat. So I'm assuming this is a nail color. This really pretty blue color here. It's kind of like periwinkle blue. And then this looks silver, but I'm guessing it's gonna be like a shimmery top coat. So it says step 1, the color in Sugar Fix, and then step 2, the shiny top coat, but definitely looks silver. Shiny, brilliant top coat. I think this is really cool. Actually, let's see, does it come with a brush or how do you apply it? You have your brush right there, and then you just flip it. And I guess you'd have another brush over here. Oh, so this is actually clear on the inside. The outside looks silver, but this looks like it's just a clear top coat. No color whatsoever. And this one says made in the USA, but I did also recognize that brand. Last one is Ren Clean Skincare. I also recognize this brand. I believe I've probably got it in this box before or another subscription box, but I really like what I have received in the past. This is their Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So AHAs, if you have sensitive skin, I don't recommend BHAs or AHAs, but if you don't have sensitive skin, these are amazing little exfoliators, just help brighten up your complexion, really get that like old dead skin off so you could have fresh new baby skin underneath. And this one for AHAs, it looks like it has lactic acid. A lot of citrus oils in here though. There is mandarin, grapefruit, orange, tangerine. So if you have any citrus allergies, you might want to beware. This one does say cruelty free. It's unfortunately the only one that said cruelty free on the bottle. I'm not sure. The other ones didn't say cruelty free or not. I can do a quick double check for you and then I'll insert that at the end of my video. And then this one is also made in the UK, but I have tried Ren Clean Skincare before. So this one is not as new to me as all of the other brands. So we did check on cruelty-free status and 4 of the items are definitely cruelty-free. The Body Blur, our Nordic Sea Jelly Mask, the Ren Clean Skincare, I already knew that one was cruelty-free, and the Merci Handy. These are all cruelty-free brands. Now this brand, Babor or Babor, I'm literally failing right now at saying things, but this brand says they do not test on animals. That's not the same as being cruelty-free, and I couldn't find any evidence that they actually are cruelty-free. Like checking multiple sites, I couldn't find any evidence that they are, so I'm gonna say it's inconclusive. I treat those as not cruelty-free because unless I have evidence that it is cruelty-free, I'd rather treat it that it's not. And then the last one, Sally Hansen, they do actually sell in mainland China, so this brand is not a cruelty-free brand. So there's one item that is at least definitely not cruelty-free in the box if that's something that you're looking for. Overall, the retail value is $81.40, so it's pretty good retail value for this box. And like I said, if you use Jessica22, you get 22% off when you order it. Let me know what your favorite item is down in the comments down below. Comments really help my channel out and I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!